The police are investigating the death of 3 people, including a teenager, who were killed in separate incidents yesterday in Westmoreland, Kingston and St. James. The body of 14-year-old Tiana Clark, a student of St. James High, was found on Saturday in an unfinished 2-story building on Browns Lane, Granville, St. James. Residents reportedly stumbled on the teen's body, which had a wound to the head. Investigators are seeking a man known only as Zubug of Browns Lane, who they believe can assist them. Zubug is being asked to report to the Granville police station. And in Westmoreland, another body was found with gunshot wounds. The deceased has been identified as a 35-year-old laborer of Cave District who was reportedly killed by gunmen. Meanwhile, the police in Kingston were busy investigating the shooting death of an unidentified man in Admiral Town. Meanwhile, more than 200 people have been murdered in Jamaica since the start of the year. 204 persons have been killed between January and yesterday, representing a 17% increase over last year. The St. Catherine North Division, which covers areas such as Spanish Town, recorded 30 murders, Clarendon 27, Westmoreland 20, the St. Andrew South Division 21, and St. Catherine South 13. St. James, which recorded 335 murders last year, has also registered 13 murders. Cops say they have seized 129 illegal guns and 1,534 rounds of ammunition since January. Other major crimes such as robbery, rape, aggravated assault, and break-ins have also decreased.